Commonly mispronounced words. The word is heart. Heart. Mother Teresa had a heart of gold. The word is Wednesday. Wednesday. Tom visited the doctor on Wednesday. The word is cough. Cough. John was coughing and sneezing all day. The word is dengue. Dengue. Dengue fever is a viral disease carried by mosquitoes. The word is thumb. Thumb. Mary gave a thumbs up after eating the meal. The word is pizza. Pizza. Mary only eats pizza on weekends. The word is jewelry. Jewelry. Samantha has some lovely pieces of jewelry. The word is data. Data. There's a lot of important data in Tanya's office laptop. The word is onion. Onion. Richard is growing onions in the garden this year. The word is asthma. Asthma. Jenny got an asthma attack last night. The word is women. Women. There were so many women in the party. The word is bowl. Bowl. Hindus use bowls for religious ceremonies. The word is salon. Salon. She got her hair cut from a nearby salon. The word is cucumber. Cucumber. Abby is cool as a cucumber. The word is video. Video. You are watching a video on commonly mispronounced words. The word is poem. Poem. Amber wrote a poem for her mother on the occasion of Mother's Day. The word is vegetable. Vegetable. It is important to eat green vegetables on a daily basis. The word is buffet. Buffet. The dinner included a generous buffet and drinks. The word is monk. Monk. The monk was meditating. The word is receipt. Receipt. If Chris pays the bill by card, the shopkeeper will give him a copy of his credit card receipt. The word is sour. Sour. Lemon is sour in taste. The word is restaurant. Restaurant. The Indian restaurant there has the best food in the city. The word is vehicle. Vehicle. In order to drive any vehicle on road, one must have a driving license. The word is tour. Tour. Ryan and his family went on a tour of the city. The word is coupon. Coupon. Brenda is always clipping coupons from the newspaper to use at the grocery store. The word is develop. Develop. I am sure you will develop your English speaking skills by watching quick English lessons of this channel. The word is resume. Resume. The interviewer asked for Maria's resume. The word is chaos. Chaos. After party, there was a chaos in the house. The word is bass. Bass. There is famous Bollywood song themed Baby Likes Bass. The word is subtract. Joe is quick at subtraction. The word is sweet. Sweet. Andrew checked into a suite yesterday. The word is quote. Quote. There is a lovely quote on the screen, don't let them stop you. The word is boutique. Boutique. The designer fashions are available only in the most exclusive boutique of the world. The word is cash. Cash. Christopher deleted his email to clean out his web cache. The word is colleague. Colleague. Amanda has awesome colleague. The word is promotion. Promotion. Jessica has got promotion as a marketing head in her office. The word is almond. Almond. Eating almonds is good for brain. The word is candidate. Candidate. There is a candidate being interviewed. The word is mischievous. Mischievous. Nora is a mischievous child. The word is truth. Truth. Truth is always in harmony with herself. The word is genre. Genre. Rupert refuses to watch any movie from the horror genre. The word is breakfast. Breakfast. One must have a healthy breakfast daily. The word is raspberry. Raspberry. Cora spread the toast thinly with raspberry jam. The word is jalapeno. Jalapeno. Parker had a double jalapeno cheeseburger with a peanut butter shake. The word is meme. Meme. Britney and friends were laughing at the famous meme. The word is pronunciation. Pronunciation. We are learning pronunciation of the commonly mispronounced words. The word is marijuana. Marijuana. The air was filled with marijuana smoke as people danced and huddled with friends. The word is divorce. Divorce. Anna and James are divorced now. The word is mojito. Mojito. Harry ordered for a glass of mojito. The word is discretion. Discretion. Brian always uses care and discretion when dealing with others. And here the lesson comes to an end. Let me know in the comment box the pronunciation of a word that surprised you the most. Thanks for watching.